Hey everybody, welcome to your video for today's Wednesday night. No, it's Thursday. I'm sorry. Thursday night, and it's going to be on 4.10 measuring with millimeters. This is something we've done a bit of in class today. You have a pretty good understanding, or you should have a pretty good understanding of this, so the video will not be that long. First thing you need to do is you look at this ruler, okay, or any ruler. If you have a ruler at your house, I'd like you to pull that out, okay, and talk about the different relation between centimeters and millimeters. We know 1 centimeter is how many millimeters? Well, there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. So can you look around your house and find things that are about 1 millimeter long? We talked about some things today. Now, I'm going to want you to draw, sorry, I accidentally stopped it. I hope I know where I left off. Okay, do you know how to measure 8 centimeters long on a ruler and 80 millimeters long? So if I said point to where is 60 millimeters, you would go to 6 centimeters. If I said go to 74 millimeters, you go 70 and then the 4. It's important that you know the relationship between those. Moving on, if I gave you a line, would you be able to measure it? So for example, this one, I make sure it's lined up with my 0 over here. I make sure I'm using my centimeter side, and it's 61 millimeters. See how it's 60 right there, and then it goes one more. Or 6.1. Let me write it. 6 centimeters, and we got 1 out of 10 millimeters left over, so it would be 6.1 centimeters. Or 61 millimeters right there. Okay, can you do that with any line? That will be your entrance slip. Okay, we continue working on multiplication. If you have not been playing interactive multiplication games, make sure you do it. You need to know your multiplication facts cold. By the time you're not going to 5th grade unless you know your multiplication facts really well. Also, problems like this. The basic fact is 5 times 4. 5 times 4 is 20, plus the 0 is 200. Can you do the rest of these? Pause it and finish those. Okay, this is our focus today. Can you do kind of what we're doing in class? Can you go from centimeters to millimeters or millimeters to centimeters? 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters. 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter. 1 millimeter is 1/10 of a centimeter. There's 10 of these in a centimeter, so it's 1/10 of it. So 4 centimeters would be how much? 130 millimeters would be how much? Can you answer these questions on your sheet? All right, let's see how you did. 4 millimeters, 4 out of 10, so it would be less than 1. Remember, 10 equals 1, so it's less than 1. That would be how. Okay, do these, please. Pause it and put them on your sheet. See how you did. If you're not sure how these are coming about, you need to ask me when you come in tomorrow. I'm going to ask you to measure these in millimeters tomorrow. You're going to tell me how many millimeters there are, how many centimeters there are. You're going to answer these questions. But the big thing I want you to do before you leave is this. I want you to pause these. I want you to put these answers in your notes for tomorrow. Okay, thanks guys. Bye.